Hi viewers, welcome to Tobys. Without wasting any time, we are going to explain our new model S120 Pro, a new addition in Tobys LED. Tobys new products are still continue to lead the market just because of our distributors and final users demand. Okay, without wasting any time, we unbox this product and check the power. Tobys S120 Pro is a new one in a market with the 3 Coopers. When you use this product, you will definitely recognize this power is real 120 watts. S120 Pro is available in Tobys all outlets. If you're gonna buy, you have to visit Tobys official outlets in Dera and Dagamart. And if you're gonna buy through online, please visit Tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba.